Eduardo, I said he'll meet you around 5:45. Yep, sounds good.
Yan, so guys, katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. I just had ramen lang, tapos maglalakad-lakad lang kami dito sa downtown Newport. My hats, jewelry. Hi guys, we're here in Connecticut. So we're here in the Seaport Museum, and it's an outside museum. $35 ang entrance fee niya. This is the toy boat workshop. So pwede kang gumawa ng ano dito, ng parang boat. Pagkatapos ang magabayad ka lang ng $10. And then we also have Discovery Barn. Tsaka itong groceries. So i-check natin yung groceries, guys. So sarado yung groceries, guys. Dito na lang tayo sa ano, chemist. Siguro pharmacy to, pero sige, tignan natin, pasukin natin. Drugs. Kala ko totoong pharmacy siya, pero ano lang pala to, replica. Sabi ko kanina parang replica lang, pero talagang totoo yata, may nakatira yata talaga dito before. So pasukin natin itong bahay. So may stairs siya. Dito yung dining.
You're Buckingham Hall House, where you are open heart cooking.
Mystic, Connecticut. So guys, this boat here is the last American whale boat.
Right. So this total here is,
I'm just
this
so
total here is
tempted.
15.
Guys, hindi ako nakakapag-room tour. So, we're here now in Vermont. Ito yung lunch naman. May refrigerator, meron siyang oven, may sink, tapos may living room. Ito ang bathroom. Tapos yan ang mga kwarto namin. Yan ang kwarto namin. So, ang view namin, ayan, sa labas. So, para siyang condo, guys. Lodge lang talaga siya. And may dining, merong living room. And tignan natin yung view sa labas. So, ayan ang view sa labas. Very nice, diba? Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is September 15, currently 7:40 to 7:45 in the morning. We're here in Stratton, Vermont. So dito kami natulog. So far this is our fourth state. Nag-umpisa kami sa Boston, Massachusetts, and then we went to Hyannis. And then after that, nag-stop over kami sa Rhode Island. And then after that, we went to Connecticut, sa Mystic, Connecticut, which is our third state na. Ito yung fourth state naman, Vermont. So, September 15. And then, yeah, we have a full day ahead. So far, nakita niyo naman yung mga cottages na tinulugan namin. Ito siya guys. Very touristy. Ayan. Hindi naman actually malamig. Tama lang yung weather. Parang, I think it's like 70s. So, buti na lang pinalitan ko yung mga gamit ko kasi may mga dinala akong shorts kasi akala ko summer kasi summer sa California. So, pinalitan ko yon. And then after that, sabi ng kasama ko, malamig daw. So, pang winter naman. And then last minute, buti na lang yung mga pang ano lang, yung mga pang regular clothing lang. Tapos nagdala ako ng jacket, which was okay naman. So far, natotolerate naman yung weather. And yeah, I'm having a good time here. Tapos may mga trees ayan na nag-change na ng color. So basically, hindi pa talaga. And then, yan yung mga shops, little shops na parang cottage type. Medyo sarado pa. So, kukuha na lang muna ako ng picture kasi aalis kami ng mga 8 o'clock. And yeah, I'll see you later guys. So guys, ang ganda ng Stratton. Dito sila nagbo-bonfire. Ayan, Stratton. Shoppingan lang. Ski shop actually. Hi.